Hey you guys, GrowGuy162 here with my first video on how to make compost. Now making compost is a super easy and affordable way to get rid of your old kitchen and garden scraps and anything that would otherwise go into landfill or waste. Now for this method you're going to need 4 different things. You're going to need your greens, which in this case is grass clippings mixed in with some shredded leaves. And for my browns, I'm going to be using wet leaves today. Now, pretty simple stuff. What you want to do is you want to grab your brown material. In this case, I'm using leaves. We'll put it on the ground here. And for every 2 or 3 handfuls of browns you put in, you want to be putting in about half as much green material. This will help feed the carbon in the leaves and it'll help break down the compost faster. Now I'm going to build up this compost pile and I'll get back to you guys when I've finished it. And as you're building the compost pile, every 3 or so layers, you want to grab your hose or any source of water you can get, and you just want to soak the compost in. This will help encourage the bacterial growth and help break down the compost quicker. Now, once we've built our pile, the last thing to incorporate is water. So I'll just give this a nice sprinkle. Get it nice and wet. Now the trick is, ideally, you want to get the compost pile as wet as a wrung out sponge. This will help encourage all the microorganisms to break down all this organic matter and give us nice compost. Now the last bit is optional, but if you do have a tarp, it is recommended that you cover it up to help the moisture be retained in the compost pile. And this will save on you having to water your compost pile every couple of days or so. Well, that is my end tutorial on how to make compost. I hope you enjoyed, learned something, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks, see ya.